So to print our report, we actually have a few reports. So this we have comparison report based on overall project cost data and also tender comparison report. So for example, tender comparison report, you click here and then it will list out all the projects that we will have in the tender section. Okay, if let's say comparison report, we click comparison report and then you can actually select which project cost data that you want to compare to. So for example, let's say you want to compare with Bukit Bantayan, and then because I mentioned high rise and all these details here, you can actually select accordingly and then you can either click preview or export. So export wise, we'll export in Excel view and then preview will print out in this formatting. So you can actually compare your project cost data for individual projects over here. So you can actually see cost data for high-rise building and then the other cost data will be displayed also at this following sections. Right, so you can also export this if you want to export in Excel file. Right, so this is more to a general comparison report. If let's say you want to further break down, for example, tower block, we double click. We also have comparison report for this section. So for example, comparison report, we click export, or even we click preview, then it will be more to our items over here. So it will be more of a detailed comparison report. So for example, if let's say you want to further break down, you can double click and we will have a further elemental comparison report. By clicking comparison report here, and then you can just click preview and then you can view based on elemental section.